Hello, and thank you for taking the time to learn more about how MWR's financial makeover system is helping thousands of mortgage and real estate professionals close more loans and sell more homes, and more importantly, how we can do the same for you. However, before I explain how we do this, let me tell you a little more about our company. MWR Financial was founded in 2017 with an executive team that has over 75 years of business and financial experience. We are a debt-free, privately owned company that is currently recognized as one of the fastest growing businesses in the financial strategies industry. Our success is a direct result of the incredible services provided through our Financial Edge membership, which is currently recognized as the most comprehensive financial services solution ever offered to the general public. Our Financial Edge membership includes 4 core services and access to our My Landlord is Fired program, as well as our Real Estate Capital Contributor platform. These services, along with our team of financial experts, can provide you and your clients with solutions to virtually any financial challenge, while also putting them into the best position possible to qualify for lending. However, what makes our membership so appealing is the price. For less than the cost of a cup of coffee per day, your clients and their spouse will get everything they need to help them qualify for the loan or home they want. And best of all, our experts do all the work. With that said, let's talk about each of these services and how they can benefit both you and your clients. It all starts with our credit restoration program, since over 80% of Americans have enough negative information on their credit file to keep them from obtaining normal financing. This service is a huge benefit to our mortgage and real estate partners because it's specifically designed to help your clients get their credit scores back into the best shape possible, allowing them to save money by qualifying for the best loan programs possible. As a matter of fact, clients that participate in this service typically experience an average credit score increase of 50 to 150 points or more in a 2 to 8 month period of time, or even less. This type of increase in your client's credit scores can have a major impact on their interest rates, down payments, and whether they are able to qualify or not. All of which leads to increasing your ability to close more loans or sell more homes. We are also not new to this industry. Our team has over 30 years of experience. We offer RESPA and CROA compliant credit restoration services that are a free benefit of having our Financial Edge membership. And we are extremely proud to be recognized as one of the only credit restoration services in history to have a federal judge sign off as to our compliance with the Credit Repair Organizations Act. This was a huge accomplishment that gave us court precedence while separating us from the competition. But more importantly, it provided our clients and partners with the security of knowing that they are working with a credit restoration company that complies with the law. However, what we're most proud of is our track record. With over 125,000 satisfied customers, our philosophy to underpromise and overdeliver has made us the most trusted credit solution in the industry. With that said, here's what your clients can expect. They will have access to personalized disputes to all 3 credit bureaus, credit rebuilding services to help them establish or reestablish their credit scores, and an online portal to easily upload their credit reports directly to our processors for immediate service and unlimited support. For those clients that participate in our home buying assistance program, also known as My Landlord is Fired, our attorneys can also provide them with forensic credit restoration services at no additional cost to assist them with the removal or correction of any misleading, outdated, or obsolete negative credit items that may remain after our normal disputing process. We also offer a credit monitoring service for clients that would like to keep track of their results in real time. For just $19.95 a month, MWRSmartCredit.com will give them access to all of their credit reports and scores, as well as text and/or email alerts of any changes to their reports, transaction alerts, ID theft alerts, and a whole lot more. With MWR's credit restoration program, you'll be able to retain your clients, add them to your pipeline, increase your closing percentages, and separate yourself from the competition by providing solutions to your clients' credit challenges instead of just a turn-down letter. However, we also realize credit is not the only reason your clients can be turned down for lending. That's why our debt elimination and equity acceleration system can provide each of your clients with a customized step-by-step monthly plan of action to eliminate all their debts, including their new or existing mortgage or mortgages, in record time. This is a proprietary debt roll-down program that can help your clients build equity quickly and allow them to reduce their debt-to-income ratios without any negative impact on their credit. By following our plan, your clients can increase their borrowing power as well as their ability to refinance or purchase a home. Based on recent debt figures for the average American consumer, Here's an example of what our debt elimination system can do for your clients. As you can see, this consumer has the same amount of debt and the same monthly payment on their existing creditor's plan as they do on MWR's debt elimination plan. However, on their creditor's plan, it will take them 29 years to get out of debt, and it will cost them over $233,000 in interest. By simply following our plan, they will be out of debt in just under 8 years, and they will only pay a little over $73,000 in interest. That's a total savings of over 21 years off their time in debt, and almost $160,000 in interest alone. And best of all, they don't have to spend one dime more than they are right now to make it happen. This is just one more way our Financial Edge membership allows you to separate yourself from the competition, increase your referrals, and eliminate equity or debt-to-income ratio challenges for your clients, so you can close more loans or sell more homes. However, the real impact is what it can do for your relationship with your clients. By providing them with the solution, you'll no longer be just the mortgage or real estate professional that helped them get their home. You'll be the one that went the extra mile by showing them how to pay it off in record time. In addition to credit restoration and debt elimination, our Financial Edge membership also includes unlimited financial advice on demand through our Ask an Expert and tax hotline, where our CPAs and enrolled agents with the IRS can provide your clients with the answers to virtually any of their financial questions, including how to reduce their tax liability to increase their take-home pay immediately through our instant pay raise strategies, how to budget and save for down payments, or the best ways to increase their cash flow to increase their buying power. This advice and support can also be a huge benefit to you and your clients when it comes to figuring out how to qualify for the home they want and how to manage the cash flow they need to properly maintain their payments. But it doesn't stop there. MWR can also help your clients lower their monthly expenses. With our Bill Shredder program, our team of professional bill negotiators can lower your clients' cell phone bills, utilities, cable, satellite, security bills, and a whole lot more to increase their buying power without them having to change service plans or providers. By plugging into our Financial Edge University trainings, your clients will also be educated on how to use real estate to build wealth, the advantages of owning versus renting, the best ways to build equity in their home, and how to use this equity to buy even more real estate. This knowledge can potentially turn your buyers into real estate investors, providing you with even more business. And last but certainly not least is our debt resolution services. Our debt resolution specialists can help your clients resolve any of their past tax or bad debt issues quickly. Our tax debt relief experts can help your clients obtain IRS and state tax lien releases, while also being able to assist them with penalty abatements, offer and compromise, or fresh start programs to eliminate all of their past tax issues for those clients that need to settle or eliminate one or more of their bad debts in order to qualify for lending. Our debt settlement and debt validation experts can help them get lump sum settlements in record time for a fraction of what they owe. Or if they can't afford a lump sum, we can also set them up on affordable monthly payments. And in some cases, our debt validation team may be able to help them totally eliminate their debt altogether. By having access to our debt resolution experts, you can eliminate the headache of trying to handle these challenges yourself, as well as those last-minute debt issues that can keep you from closing a loan or selling a home. With that said, you've just seen how our financial makeover can help you close more loans and sell more homes to increase your mortgage or real estate income. However, we also understand the expenses associated with being a mortgage or real estate professional and how an additional stream of income can help you offset or eliminate some of these costs, while providing you with the security of a residual income to keep you cash flow positive during slow market conditions. That's why MWR Financial wants to pay you daily for sharing our financial makeover with your clients, as well as other mortgage and real estate professionals. It all starts with our customer bonuses. By simply sharing our Financial Edge membership with your clients or anyone you know that would like a financial makeover, you're able to earn $40 on every customer you personally enroll, and a $10 monthly residual income on your fourth active customer and beyond. This is necessary because your first 3 customers make your Financial Edge membership free for as long as they remain active, but it even gets better. Your customers can also refer others to make their membership free, and when they do, you can earn these same bonuses on the customers they refer. This makes each of your customers a potential referral source that can help you grow your business and increase your income. Not to mention, this one form of revenue could potentially eliminate your credit report and office expenses, or compensate you for your time spent with a client that may have never been able to qualify. But most importantly, You're able to be rewarded financially for providing your clients with a solution that can help them accomplish the ultimate goal of closing their loan or purchasing their home. This is also just one of the 10 different ways MWR Financial pays you daily, weekly, and monthly. To find out more about our compensation plan and how MWR is helping thousands of people just like you make hundreds, thousands, and even tens of thousands of dollars monthly from the comfort of their own homes, please get back with the MWR Financial Director that referred you to this overview. With that said, let's recap. By partnering with our company, you're going to have everything you need to close more loans and sell more homes, providing you and your clients with a win-win scenario. Your clients will benefit from having a team of financial experts to lower their taxes, lower their expenses, and eliminate their debts, while also increasing their credit scores, cash flow, equity, and buying power. You, on the other hand, will get to benefit from having a system that will allow you to create clients instead of having to compete for them like everyone else. You'll be able to turn renters into buyers and advertise to every consumer, instead of just the ones that are already able to qualify. You'll have the opportunity to get paid on all of your future turndowns, with the ability to revisit and recapture these clients in the near future, all of which will increase your pipeline, provide you with multiple streams of income, help you retain your customers, and separate you from the competition, so you can close more loans or sell more homes. And if you're a licensed realtor, you can even apply to participate in our Certified Realtor program, giving you access to potential referrals from our real estate capital contributors and investors, and our My Landlord is Fired clients that are not currently represented. In other words, the only way you or your clients can lose is if you simply choose not to participate. So, what are you waiting for? Timing is everything in business, and every minute you're not offering these solutions to your clients, it could be costing you time and money you will never get back. Get back to the MWR Financial Director that shared this information with you. Get all of your questions answered and get started today. Thanks again for your time, and let me be the first to welcome you to the MWR Financial family.